Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to chat with Meta AI in a group. So, let's dive right in. Meta AI is an AI assistant built right into WhatsApp, letting you chat, ask questions, and generating images. Follow these steps to access it in the group chat. Open the desired WhatsApp group. Then, tap on the message bar at the bottom. Simply type I, followed by Meta AI in the chat window, and then type your question or prompt. Once you have entered the prompt, simply tap on the send button. Meta AI will quickly respond to your question in a group chat. And that's it. Meta AI has successfully responded to our prompt. Note that all the members added to this group can view this Meta AI chat. So that's it. Now you know how to chat with Meta AI in a group. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments below what you think about Meta AI.